My name is Ryan Whitaker. I am the general manager of this facility and have been here for just over 4 years. Paulding is a very rural community, strong farming background, strong manufacturing background, and it's just a great community to have individuals living around here as well as drawing talent to come work for our facility. So this location was originally built in 1980. And the building has been added on. We've got 4 hardening and tempering furnaces, slitting line, a couple skiving lines, an offline polisher, as well as a small cut to length line. Our goal is to not only be the best hardened and tempered facility in the country, but we want to be the best in the world. And integrity, the respect that we have, our team members, and the excellence that our team drives day in and day out with our product sets us up for success. So the last couple of years we have upgraded one of our skiving lines. It now has the capabilities of skiving 125,000 thick by 5 inches wide. We can produce a true #1 round, true #1 square edge, as well as different profile edges on it. So it allows us to have a difference in the market with our capabilities and with what that offers to allow our customers to utilize something with a skived edge that they normally wouldn't think is possible. Our furnace technology, we've upgraded one of our furnaces from an 18-inch wide max capacity up to a 24-inch wide capacity. That furnace line has inline polishing, so we are able to produce blue polished, bright polished, and gold polished, as well as blue scaleless, bright scaleless, and gold. Gives us the ability to offer different variances into the marketplace for customers that may need a specified color for their application. I would say I'm most encouraged about with the upgrades that we've done is the ability to go into new markets that this facility has not been able to do. It gives us the opportunity to broaden our offering to existing customers that have not been able to purchase a certain type of hardened and tempered product from us in years prior. I think being able to offer that into the market not only sets us up for future growth, but for sustained growth and giving our customers the comfort of coming to us as a one-stop shop for their hardened and tempered needs. This facility has been blessed with longevity. We have a handful of workers that have 40+ years of experience here. With that, there does come a gap of bringing in new talent. What has helped is that the folks that have been here for that long have actually taken some of our newer employees under their wing and trained them and taught them not necessarily the secrets of the hardened and tempered product, but some of the things that might come up and the changes within the variants of material and how to run the machines and what to look for. So it's been nice to have the longevity of those employees working alongside with our newer employees and helping them build the confidence, helping them to build the knowledge of the hardened and tempered product, of our furnaces and of our equipment. And that just prolongs the learning, prolongs the knowledge for years to come. Lapham Hickey's production and partnership has really been for 97 years. And you don't get that longevity with a company without the reinvestment back into your facilities, the reinvestment back into your people with the proper training. And because the investment that we have put into this place with rebuilding some of our equipment and adding capacity with our rebuilt furnace line, that gives us the ability to go to our customers and truly be a partner in production with the capabilities that we have in the market. What sets this facility apart with other facilities that we compete against is really our people. We take pride in the quality that we put out. We take pride in every customer that we have. We want to be, like I said, not only the best but we want to be the best in the world at what we do. We want to hone our product. You know, we want our customers to be able to put an order on with us and not forget about it, but kind of forget about it in a way that our product is going to get to them. It's going to be done right. It's going to have the finish that they want. It's going to have the edge that they want. And they know that day in and day out, when they deal with us, they're going to get the product that they want.